In 2021, Google started replacing title tags in the SERPs with other relevant verbiage from a web page. This posed the question across the SEO community, are title tags still relevant for SEO? I'm going to answer this question while also giving a refresher on what title tags are all about. Let's dive into it. What you're looking at on the split screen are title tags. It's an HTML code that tells Google what your page is all about. So for the Media Captain, our title tag is Columbus Marketing Agency, Ohio's top 1% digital agency. Title tags should have a minimum of 30 characters and a maximum of 60 characters. A title tag should be compelling and enticing. The copy should be really good. Click-through rate is a ranking factor for Google, so you want people to click into your web page, meaning your title tag should differentiate versus competitors. I mentioned earlier that in 2021, Google started replacing title tags on the search results with other relevant verbiage from a web page. The reason they started to do this, in my opinion, is because SEOs and webmasters all over the place started over-optimizing title tags with keywords, which you're supposed to do, but what happened is all of the content started to be extremely similar. So Google wanted to have more uniqueness in the SERPs, hence the reason for this switch. Let me give you an example of what I'm talking about when I say Google's swapping out the title tags in the search results. So here's a blog I wrote on 30 Google business profile stats and facts. You'll see this is what the title is. If you actually go to the blog, the title tag that I wrote was 30 Google business profile stats and facts that local SEOs must know. So you'll see that this is not pulling in the title tag that I originally wrote. What's happening is that it is pulling in the headline, the H1 from the blog. So that's what I mean when I say Google doesn't always pull in the title. They're pulling in other relevant information from the web page. It should be noted that headings, the H1, H2, H3, and H4, are often what replace title tags now in the search results. So this means that optimizing headings is a great opportunity and something you should focus on with your SEO efforts. In the YouTube description, I'm going to include a link on how to better optimize your headings. The answer that everyone has been waiting for: are title tags still relevant for SEO? The answer is absolutely yes. The title tag, even though sometimes it's getting replaced by, let's say, a headline, still tells Google what your page is all about and is a very important SEO ranking factor. So you still want to optimize your title tags despite them not always pulling into the search results. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Remember, title tags are still relevant for SEO. Another key takeaway is that you should better optimize your headings because those often pull into Google's search results. My name is Jason Parks with The Media Captain. Do me a favor, subscribe to me on YouTube. And if you have any questions, you can contact me at themediacaptain.com.